Welcome to Seneca's Flex Classroom. What you'll find in these classrooms, they are equipped with cameras located at the front and the back of the classroom. It's also equipped with built-in microphones and speakers along the ceiling. You're also equipped with a podium touch panel. With this touch panel, we can operate these different equipment, and it's also equipped with two dual screens here to help you navigate your course material during class. When you're using the Podium PC, you'll want to have the Podium PC selected. Once this is selected, it will start projecting what is on your display on the right. In these Flex classrooms, you will be equipped with two monitors. This primary display is a private display. What that means is that your class will not be able to see anything projected on this screen. If you'd like to project items to be shown to your class, simply move the window to your secondary screen found on the right. Anything that's displayed on the secondary screen will be projected on the whiteboard. If you plan on using your laptop for class, select the laptop HDMI. Then use these two connectors, the HDMI connector and the USB connector, and plug that into your laptop. Once connected, your laptop screen will be projected to the display, the public display. If you want to configure this so that your laptop has its own private display, simply go to your display settings, and you'll notice that both screens are currently mirroring each other. If we scroll down to the multiple displays, we can simply click on Extend these displays. Once you have your laptop connected and your screen extended, you'll notice that your laptop screen is now your private display, and the screen on the right is now projected on the whiteboard. You'll also notice the left screen here is unused. This is the PC screen, so it is not controlled by your laptop, but rather with its own controls. When you're using PowerPoint slides and you want to display this on the whiteboard, you can navigate to the slideshow ribbon. Make sure you enable Use Presenter View. Once you've done that, you can start your PowerPoint slides. In Presenter View, this display is not broadcasted to the class, and you'll also be able to see your notes for your presentation. In situations where your presenter view is being displayed on the incorrect screens, simply navigate to the display settings and select Swap Presenter View and Slideshow. This will swap the screens. If you're planning on using Zoom, make sure that you join your audio by clicking on the Join Audio. Once you've joined the computer audio, click on the up arrow. This will help us determine what microphone to select and what speaker. Make sure you have the Shure microphone selected. And for the speaker, we are using the Crestron. Under the video, if you click on the up arrow, you may notice there are two camera selection options. We'll want to use the AV.io SDI video. And when you're ready, simply click on the video to broadcast yourself. Once you've enabled your sound settings and your video camera, to configure your camera, click under the camera controls. In here, you can display different presets. And you can also enable a tracking feature where the camera follows you around the classroom. Once you enable the tracking, you'll find that the camera will start tracking you as you traverse through the classroom. So if I'm standing on this side of the classroom, perhaps I'm using the whiteboard here, you'll find that the camera will continually track me as I navigate through the classroom here. Perhaps if I weave myself through the tables, the camera will track me as well. There is also a camera to capture the class. We can use the switch camera button to switch cameras. In this mode, you'll be able to capture who is in your classroom. Using the dials found on the touch panel, you can adjust the camera accordingly with the zoom in and zoom out features. If you need to adjust the volume of the speakers in the classroom, simply use the volume up and down settings. If you need to mute the speakers, simply click on mute. And this will mute all of the speakers in the classroom. At any time in your class, if you need to mute your microphone, you can do this through the touch panel. Simply click on mic and mute ceiling mics. You can also mute your microphone using your Zoom or Teams or Big Blue Button meeting. Simply click on the microphone and ensure that it is muted. The ceiling microphones have a light on one of the corners. If it is green, it means that it is live and able to pick up audio from the classroom. When it is muted, you will notice that the color is red. That is when the microphone is no longer capturing any sounds. When you're done using the projectors, always remember to shut down after you're done using it.